Hey guys, it's Brooke from the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be planting up some hydrangeas. I'm in the side part of my moon garden. The moon garden is going to be on the left side of my house, and it's going to wrap around the backyard, and so all the plants in there are going to be white. It is a shady section. So I got some plants on sale from Lowe's. So I got some boho hydrangeas because I didn't want anything to be too high, because the one thing that I was keeping into consideration, and I'm sure this is probably because I'm an attorney and that's just the way I think, is I didn't want something to get too high because I didn't want anybody to be hiding behind the shrubs when I come home from work. So boho hydrangeas only get 2.5 feet high, and they get about 3 to 4 feet wide. So it's perfect for that, so I can always see over it. So I have 8 of them. 4 of the 8 I think I paid full price for. The other 4, Lowe's had them for half price. I probably do need one more on each end just to round it out, I think, but I'll have to wait till next year to get those. So the hydrangeas that I'm planting are white, and then when the weather turns, they start getting a pinkish cast, and after I plant them, I'll show you guys. So I have all the plants where they're going to be, where they should be planted, and so I'm just going to set it on time lapse and get these babies planted. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to go get my bone meal. Actually, Andrea, can you get me my bone meal? It's in the blue bucket. The Lowe's bucket. Just walk through the grass. It's not wet. My cousin's going to get me the bone meal because I'm going to put that in the bottom of each hole, because now that it's getting cooler, I need the plants to really develop roots. They're going to continue to develop roots over the winter, but the bone meal just helps them do that. So she's going to get that, and I'm going to start planting. I don't have any mulch right now, but that's okay, because next weekend I'm going to have like 5 cubic yards delivered, and then I'll mulch everything then. Ooh, thank you. What you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Yes, it is. So, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this dirt is very black. That's good. That means I got some good dirt. That is what you want to see with fertile dirt. Yeah, I don't see too many worms down here right now, but then again, it is kind of cold, so I don't know. They're probably doing whatever worms do in the winter.
Enchanté.
Okay guys, so that's it. So I finished planting everything. As you can see, I watered everything in. When I get the mulch, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like once it's all nicely mulched. And I'm looking forward to seeing how it comes back next year. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Bye! Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday, and so I'm gonna be out in the yard. I don't know if you guys can see all of these leaves and that sort of thing. I'm gonna try to get those up. There's some stuff that I pulled out that I need to trash. I got a new trash can so I could put, you know, like the branches, like the stuff I pulled out from, you know, from the garden, because it can't stay there, and quite frankly a lot of it has mildew and stuff on it, so I don't want to put it in the compost bin. So in general, I'm going to just try to get everything sprucened up for the winter, and then I got to plant some things today, so I'll be just checking it periodically. I may set up the camera later on, but that takes a little bit of time, so it's just probably going to be me showing you what I've done after the fact. Okay guys, so these are the irises. They're called Crystal Halo. I got these from Meadowbrook Farm, and so they are really big. So I'm going to divide them since I'm replanting them. So I already divided this right here. This was one pot. I got 3 out of that, and I probably could have divided it smaller, but I don't want to do it too small. So I've got those. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got a couple more pots over here. See. Okay, so it looks like I have 7 because there's 3 pots over there. So yeah, so I might get like 21 some pumps or so out of here. So let me see if I can show you how to do this real quick. Just give me a second. Okay guys, so let me see if I can show you how to do this. Now if you notice, I left the socks on. With perennials, I don't take them off. In New Jersey, we have like really weird weather. We have a lot of freeze thaw cycles, which can be very damaging to the plants. So I actually found that I have better success with my plants when I just leave the green on them. They protect the crown, and then basically come spring, I just pop them off, and it comes off really easily. So now let me see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, so as you can see, there's like 4 or 5 pumps in here. So the first section, which is kind of all on this little lonesome section to the left. So basically I'm just going to put the spade through it and just press down. Woo! And that went really easily, actually. It's very easy. And so now this section right here is going to be a little bit more difficult because they're closer together. So I'm going to turn the plant over like this so I can see where I'm pushing down. And so I'm just going to, there we go. Okay, there's a lot more tough roots here, so I've kind of separated it enough that I can tease the rest apart with my hands, which I can't really do right now because it's one-handed. I need both hands to do that, but I think you get the general idea. So that's 3 pumps from that plant. So this one, this one, I probably could get 4 off of that. And that sort of thing. So that's what I'm just going to do. So I'll come back once I finished separating all of them. Okay guys, so there it is. I separated them all. Hopefully I didn't kill anything. They were very big. They probably needed to be separated because they were huge clumps. So I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so basically I'm just going to do 12 on each side. So let me get those in. Okay guys, I planted all the irises, so I'm going to go inside and get some lunch because I'm hungry, and I do have some other things that I need to plant today, like tulips, daffodils, and actually I've got some other bearded irises that I need to plant in the sunset garden. So, oh shoot. I've got hibiscus. Let me go plant those now. Okay guys, so it's in, and I looked it up on not Pinterest, Instagram, because I had posted a picture. It's called Summer in Paradise. So Summer in Paradise and Midnight Marvel. This one has a little bit more pink in it, but close enough. Because I don't think they had any more Midnight Marvel. So I'm just grabbing the containers, throwing them away, and now I'm gonna go get some lunch. Okay guys, so I've eaten, I feel much better now. I'm gonna go plant these 15 bearded irises in the sunset garden, and then I gotta start on some tulips, so let me get this diddy on. Alrighty guys, so I am on to the next section. I pulled my dahlias, put them in the greenhouse to dry, and I'm planting some bulbs. So I have a squirrel, or as I like to call them, the long-tailed servants of Satan, who ate all of my bulbs last year. And so this year I'm going to use some Repulsol. So I got the granules, and according to this, you can put a tablespoon in each hole with each bulb. And so I have some over here and equal amounts of tulips over there. So this is a mixture of Angelique, strawberry twirl, and something Appledorn. I'll have to look up it. I'll put it on the bottom of the screen. So that's what I'm planting now. So I'll check in with you guys after I finish. Okay, so my cell phone ran out of power. So this is the last set of bulbs that I have to plant. I did trays for each side. I did them this way because I'm mixing a couple of different varieties. And so here's what I put in this last section. So it's called Blushing Appledorn, Orange Van Eyck, or Ick, I don't know how you pronounce that, and then Mystic Van Eyck. So I'm just gonna, I don't even know how many is in here. I'm just gonna drill away. I don't think I have enough, Repulsol to put a tablespoon in each hole, but what I'm gonna do is I'll cover them and then I'll just sprinkle Repulsol all over the entire section. And so that is how that's gonna happen. And so I'm proud of myself for getting as much accomplished today as I did. And so I'm just looking forward to the home stretch and then the rest of the stuff I can do inside. So let me set the camera up and we'll get started. Okay guys, I got them all planted. I'm going inside now.